New Year to everyone. But here's the one thing I said to everyone. My New Year resolution to my arch enemy, Sangkay Janjan, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Chima Casandil, Teacher May Tiburcio, including who else I mentioned? Ate Dina Guillermo, Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, Ate Mel Canete, Romeo TV Vlog, Nino Bersaga, oh, and other Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, especially Kuya Copio. I know for all of you, stop being yourselves a bullies. Like I said, I never start the bully in social media. I know when I explain to Denzel Joshua, when I bully, who else? Teacher Kelpabelo, Teacher Gio Malana, or Teacher Vincent Ramos. I apologize to them. This is a lesson to you, Sangkay, ha? Sangkay, Jan, you have to change yourself. You have to be good. You should never be act yourself evil. You know what, Sangkay, Jan, if you're watching this in my YouTube video, you need to better to stop, alright? You need to stop what you're doing. You need to stop what you are, you're making a videos and then you criticize Banat Bay. My New Year resolution to you, Sangkay, it has to learn about your lesson. It has to learn to be to stop being yourself manipulative. You're just like Kuya Kopio. You're bashing other people who are anti-Marcos. Those people, they have their own opinion. They have an a freedom of expression. And so, what I said before, I say to you, Sangkay Janjan, you will get the reflection. My New Year resolution to you, you should be a good person. Don't be such like me, what happened to David Gill, when I bully his family, when I bully the church, when I attack the church, when I say, when I make a fake account of Larry Chuanico, who's the fault anyway? Me, I'm the one who's responsible. And I promote the terrorism like ISIS. Unlike you, Paulo Cruzada, do not promote terrorism like ISIS. Just like I said, Joseph Maspinas wants to say to you, you need to learn how to be stopped. And here's the one thing, aside of Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and especially Jima Cazandil, all of you, even that uncle of Paula Nunez, just please, all of you, stop promoting terrorism like ISIS. That ISIS, I remember, it's Islamic State. I never promote terrorism. I was told by Roylan Marlang, it has to stop. When I was told by Roylan Marlang recently, Roylan Marlang reprimand Sangkay Janjan. I saw his basta yung Facebook page video statement. I know Roylan Marlang warns Sangkay Janjan, do not use Rodelio Daguban. That is not fake. That's not a real account. The real account anyway, it was his mother. Not his picture with Sara Duterte. That's a fake account. And here's the one thing, Sangkay Janjan, you need to better to stop what you're doing. And it's coming a New Year resolution to you. And whenever I say, you need to stop. Me, in 2025, I learned how to reconcile with Wawel, Romero, Kingston Jordan Pilapil. And I know I reconcile. Who I reconcile anyway? I reconcile aside of Wawel Romero. I reconcile with Arnel Guerrero Castillo, Best Pills. And also I reconcile with, the time is Teacher Jessa Fernandez, 2024. And even I reconcile with Paula, but I don't know what happened to Paula anyway. So that is a New Year resolution to you, Sankay. As you stop, as might as I mean, you need to better to learn your consequence. And Happy New Year to everyone.